Oh, shit.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. That is not starting. Steady, steady. Save, keeper. He's got back, Sam's got that, Andre on his shoulder. Andre on his shoulder. Play on! Save, keeper. Throw, yellow throw. If you want me back, you got to get rid of him.
What did he say?
Yeah.
Told you, man, they need you more than you need. Plus the signings you're getting. Plus the signings you're getting as well.
Yeah, man,
If you, the signings you're getting and keep Bell, you'll challenge for the title.
but like, it's not five
And you know what?
Oh, lovely Ben.
Let's go put them on the second half. Oh.
Red throw.
Nose on. Man on your long. Not scoring from there, are we, boys?
If you want.
Strong, Christophe, strong. Well in Benoit.
Fucking good game though, man. In the league at the moment?
Mid-table now.
If you win this, you'll probably get up a bit, won't you?
I think we could do
Unlucky Benoit, good effort. Stay tight then.
They get disqualified from Europa League for match fixing, innit?
Yeah.
So we didn't have to play them in the field in the first.
Place. Is that what happened? Is that what we come up to?
Yeah.
They lost all their prison. They're in prison anyway, wasn't they?
Oh, unlucky.
They got sentenced.
Great, John.
Yeah, they got sentenced today.
Move for him. Come on, mate. You're doing him over there.
Save, keeper, play on. Save, keeper.
Time. Look at Mitch. First in, now skin him.
Play on.
Yeah.
Good goal. Here, go on. Stop, play, Mick. Come on, lads. Here we go.
Pushing left, John.
Your man behind him.
Play, Dre. Support him, long.
Not by Arsenal, right?
Nah, by Chelsea.
Oh, yeah. Well, fair, that makes sense.
Bell, Benoit, strong. Play on.
Bernardinho.
Nah, you got good. If you keep Bell this season, you've got a good squad.
Just keep the subs rolling, lads.
Go on, man. He's gone.
He's already gone.
He's gone, man. Nice.
What's happening with Arsenal?
Nothing.
No signings, nothing, eh? They need to pull suffocate his hat.
Sign like. Only we're going to sign like 4 or 5 players.
Stop! Then
Ericson would be a great signing. Ericson would be. I like him. Go Sam. Time.
Arsenal should hijack that.
We should have got Lamella, or we should have got freaking.
I don't know why we didn't go for Lamella.
There's too many.
For 30 million, for 30 million, mate, it's a good
We
signing.
should have just signed for Graham, to be honest. That was the one. That was done. That's done deal as well.
Shake hands, lads. 3-0 scandal.
Again.
Bang on fire.